Hey, what's up? It's Phil from Easy Tutorials, and let me show you quickly how to get GIMP, how to download and install it from a website. Just type in a Google GIMP, you can see this icon, and click gimp.org, and over here click on the red icon, download, and you can download it from a torrent or directly. I recommend to download it directly. And now just save under your downloads, for example. I already downloaded, so it will replace it and download the newest version. After the download is finished, just click on the icon and you will get the installation instructions. And click install for users if you are on Windows. Click English, OK. And over here click customize. We'll check out what is our license agreement and click next. It says C program files GIMP 2. Okay, no problem. Click next. You can just click next, and you can create a desktop icon if you want. Just hit next and install. The good thing is that the GIMP will install only the GIMP, no other programs without your knowledge. After the installation is finished, just click finish, and you can go to your Windows button and type in GIMP, hit enter and open the program. And here we go. If this was helpful to you, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.